Hey everybody, and welcome to Tech Duck. Today, we're going to go over the top 10 best futuristic gadgets available on Amazon. Watch until number 1 because it's one of the most amazing futuristic gadgets I've ever seen. Number 10. LEGO Technic Liebherr. Prepare for an epic adventure with the LEGO Technic excavator, a behemoth with a 4,108 pieces of building set that is sure to blow your mind. Designed in collaboration with Liebherr, this masterpiece can be operated through the accompanying app, and it is powered by not just 1 but 7 motors. This cutting-edge technology makes for ultra-precise movement and incredible functionality, giving you the ability to create endless digital play scenarios across different screens that boast stunning graphics. With the control screen, you can drive the excavator and perform actions similar to the real deal. Plus, you will enjoy realistic sound effects that even get real-time feedback on the status of the LEGO vehicle. You can customize your excavator's movements by recording the model's movements to create complex sequences of actions that will leave you and your friends in awe. From building the piece to actually using it, you are guaranteed an unforgettable adventure that will keep you captivated for hours on end. Number 9. AKASO Brave 7. Step up your vlogging game with the AKASO Brave 7. This action camera is the perfect combination for capturing all of life's adventures. With its durable build, you can record in any weather without worrying about damage. This bad boy can even withstand being submerged in water up to 3 feet for half an hour, without the additional protection a case offers. But if you're planning on diving deeper, the over 100-foot waterproof case has got your back and will protect your camera in extreme conditions. Say goodbye to awkwardly angled selfies and hello to perfectly framed shots, as this action camera completely optimizes your recording experience. And for all you tech-savvy folks out there, the AKASO Brave 7 can connect to the internet and other display devices with its Wi-Fi and HDMI features. This action camera also comes with an app where you can easily clip and edit your footage, making it the ultimate tool for creating amazing content on the go. Number 8. KeySmart Max. Transform the way you handle your keys with this futuristic gadget, the KeySmart Max. Keep your keys organized and compact with this innovative device that will be your ultimate everyday carry companion. Equipped with GPS tracking technology and location services, you can locate your misplaced keys by tracking them on the accompanying app. Additionally, this smart key holder is capable of finding your missing phone as well. With just the press of a button, this smart device can make your lost phone ring even if it's in silent mode. It's like having a personal assistant at your fingertips, making your daily life simpler and more efficient. Furthermore, you can customize and add a variety of mini tools to it to create a versatile everyday tool that can handle any task. Overall, the KeySmart Max is the perfect solution for anyone who wants to simplify their life and have all their essential tools and keys in one compact, organized and secure place. Number 7. ULANZI L2 RBG. The ULANZI RGB is a full-color RGB video light that offers a range of features for creative applications. It allows for HSI mode, which supports 360-degree full-color adjustment and a smooth brightness scroll. This makes it ideal for various applications such as selfies, microphotography, and even close-up videography. The RGB light also has a magnetic design on the back, allowing it to be easily placed on all metal surfaces. There are 11 mesmerizing light effects, including an RGB mode. You can even control the speed of the color change. The powerful RGB product is very light, making it convenient to move it anywhere. It also has a display for visualizing the different adjustments that come with the device. The light comes with a standard mount that makes it easy to fix on other types of equipment. Overall, this product is a versatile and convenient solution for those looking for a compact and powerful RGB video light. Number 6. Faimocas Fidget Spinner. The Faimocas Fidget Spinner is a high-quality product that is sure to keep you amused for a very long time. This stainless steel product is designed to be dismantled and assembled, which adds to its appeal for people who enjoy tinkering with gadgets. One of the standout features of this fidget spinner is its long-lasting rotation that lasts for more than 5 minutes. It's also quiet, making it a great option for people who want a discreet and calming fidget toy that won't disturb others around them. Plus, there is a luminous effect that can be activated by shining a flashlight on it for a few seconds. This allows the spinner to glow in the dark, which can add to its visual appeal and make it a fun gadget easier to use in low-light environments. The fidget spinner is a great option that comes packaged beautifully, making it a convenient and thoughtful gift for friends and family members who might benefit from a stress-relieving toy. Number 5. Bose Sports Sunglasses. The Bose Sports Sunglasses offer a unique blend of high-performance sports sunglasses and revolutionary audio technology. This futuristic eyewear features open-ear audio, which allows you to enjoy your music without anything in or on your ears. With a comfortable and sweat-resistant design, these sunglasses are perfect for high-intensity workouts in all weather conditions. In addition to high-quality sound, they also have a long battery life with up to 8 hours of playtime per charge. With a reliable Bluetooth range of up to 30 feet, you can stay connected to your device without any interruptions. And when it's time to recharge, this also comes with a fast charging option. Thanks to the open-air speakers, it is easier to stay aware of your surroundings moving on the streets. These Bose Sports sunglasses are also designed for maximum comfort, even in the most intense conditions, perfect for multi-sport use in rough terrain. Number 4. CHOVERY Window Cleaner Robot. Introducing the latest innovation in window cleaning technology, the CHOVERY Window Cleaning Robot. This futuristic cleaning gadget offers an excellent cleaning effect and can easily clean high-rise windows without the need for ladders. Equipped with a dual cleaning head, this window cleaning robot can clean glass of thickness above 3 millimeters. What's more, it can clean 1 square meter in just a few minutes, making it a quick and efficient cleaning solution for large windows. With 3 auto cleaning modes to choose from, or the option to manually control it, the cleaning robot is versatile. One of the most impressive features of this window cleaning robot is its super suction power. With its vacuum, it can firmly stick to windows and you don't have to worry about it slipping. It is important to keep the device plugged in because the suction power is only effective while charging. The robot also has a backup power supply for cases when you do forget. With this Cleaners Impress AI technology, the robot can calculate the route and automatically clean your windows without any issues. Number 3. EZVALO Smart Lamp. If you're someone who spends a lot of time working or reading at a desk, you know how important it is to have the right lighting. The EZVALO desk lamp offers a solution that not only provides bright and accurate lighting, but also looks great on your desk. Thanks to its double-angle design, you can adjust the shape of the lamp to project light in any direction you like. This means you can use it in work mode, reading mode, or ambient light mode, depending on your needs. It also has a high color reproduction. The LED light emits a light that is close to natural daylight, making it easier to see the true colors and details of objects. Plus, with the AI ambient light sensor, the lamp automatically adjusts the light to the surrounding environment to provide comfortable lighting and reduce eye strain. Furthermore, you can simply voice commands via the accompanying app to control the lighting. Overall, this multi-angled adjustable LED desk lamp is an excellent addition to any workspace, providing high-quality lighting and versatile functionality that makes it easier to work or read. Number 2. Tesla Smart Ring. The Tesla Smart Key Ring is the most convenient key for your Tesla. Made with precision and care, this key ring is handcrafted using the finest ceramic materials to ensure its quality and durability. The key ring is very thin and light, making it incredibly comfortable to wear. You won't even feel it on your finger. Plus, with its waterproof design, you can wear it all day, every day, without worrying about taking it off. There is also no charging required, so you'll never have to worry about staying without a Tesla key when your phone battery is dying. The Tesla key features the same security level as the Tesla key card, ensuring the utmost protection for your vehicle. To activate it, simply find the right sensor spot without directly touching the ring to the car. Upgrade your Tesla experience with this low-key futuristic backup ring. Number 1. Ferrofluid Speaker. Ferrofluid is a magnetic fluid that creates mesmerizing patterns and shapes when exposed to a magnetic field. This product uses this as a unique and creative way to visualize music and sound. The product is made of high-quality materials, including pure water and environmentally friendly components. The built-in mic and white LED backlight make it easy to use without connecting to any line, and the built-in battery can last up to 8 hours when fully charged. This product can be used in various scenarios, such as a music companion or sound partner for hi-fi speakers and Bluetooth speakers, a desktop creative gift toy ornament, fluorofluid displays, a tension relief toy, and a fluorofluid dancing lamp. It can also be placed on the piano surface as a piano metronome, adding a unique visual element to the music practice and performance. To sum it up, this product provides a unique and creative way to enjoy music and sound while also offering a visually stunning display of ferrofluid in motion. Watching the fluid dance to the rhythm of music can be a relaxing and stress-relieving experience. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of futuristic gadgets and much more. Check out this video on the top left of top B-Day toilet seats in 2023, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.